Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to restart your Windows 11 PC using keyboard. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, let me just bring up my on-screen keyboard so that you can completely see what exactly keys you're going to press on. So let me just navigate to my button search bar and let me just type for my settings. Okay, let me just click on open under the best matched. Okay, the thing that I'm bringing up my on-screen keyboard so that you won't be able to commit any mistakes because you might press the wrong key, okay? So let me just proceed with my accessibility. And under the accessibility, let me just scroll down and go with my keyboard. And from here, let me just turn in my on-screen keyboard. Okay. So, at the physical keyboard or the built-in keyboard that you are having along with your laptop, again, don't use your on-screen keyboard. I'm just showing you the keys on what you are pressed on to avoid any confusion or to avoid any mistake because you might press the wrong key and that might lead to an error. So here, you need to press Windows key, press and hold Windows key and X key together. Again, press Windows key, X key, and U key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to restart the computer. Again, press Windows key, X key, U key, and R key together, and in that way you would be able to restart the computer. Again, for the last time, press Windows key, letter X key, U key, and R key together in your physical or built-in keyboard, and in that way you would be able to restart the computer. Okay, so let's try. Press Windows key, X key, and then the U key. And when you press the R key, you would be able to restart the computer. Okay, so let's try for the last time. Windows key and X key, U key, and R key together. And in that, you would be able to restart the computer. Okay, so those are the easy steps on how to restart your PC using your keyboard. If those steps help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on restarting your PC using those shortcut keys that I've shown you in this video. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.